Hello, I'm Derrick, and welcome to Hindsight 101, where you'll learn about things that will help you in everyday life. Now, I'm going to show you how to replace an extension cable if you have extension springs on your garage door. As you can see here, this garage has extension springs, not torsion springs. Thanks for watching Hindsight 101. Click the subscribe button and select the notification bell to stay up to date. Now, these are the items you're going to need. You're going to need an extension cable. I usually go with the larger size, the 12-foot, or they have 8-foot as well. I have to end up cutting it anyways. A nut setter, and you're going to need a clamp. Also, you're going to need bolt cutters, metal cutters, whatever you can to cut the wire cable. As you can see here, you can see the broken cable. That's going to have to be replaced. That spring has no tension on it. It's supposed to look like this working spring. See, there is tension on this spring because the cable is working properly. To be on the safe side, you want to use a C-clamp and you want to clamp the door to make sure it doesn't slide down. Once you push the door up, it'll stay in place, but any slight bump will have it come crashing down. Especially if you have a wooden door, they're very heavy. So you want to put these clamps on both sides of the door. Now we're going to remove the old cable. Very easy. As you can see, the other end of this was wrapped around a metal piece with the S-hook attaching it to the frame. We're just going to take that off. The easiest way is just to cut it. I didn't have the proper tools, so I made do with what I had. But this got the job done, and I was able to cut it. So you see there's a metal piece and an S-hook. We're going to get rid of the metal piece. You don't really need it, but you will need that S-hook. So now we're going to install the new cable. I made a little mistake here. I took the new cable and put it up and over the wheel. I was supposed to do it the opposite way and put it down and under the wheel. For my garage door, it worked better the other way. So I did fix it off camera. I just didn't record it. Sorry about that. Then you attach that loop to the S-hook, and then you attach it to the frame. I'll show you in a minute how to do that. Just like that, put it through the loop and attach it to the frame. I think I did the third hole. Whatever hole you choose, just make sure it matches the other side. So you have the same amount of tension on each side of the door. Now you want to wrap the cable around the wheel. You want to do it slowly with a little tension, or it will slide off the wheel like I'm about to do. Rookie error. All you gotta do is just put it back on. Like I said, just give it a little tension. It's okay if the wheel twists a little. It'll straighten itself out later. Now, once you have it around that wheel, there's another wheel that's bolted to the wall that you're gonna have to put it around as well. I'll show you in a second. See, now you're gonna wrap it around this wheel. Nothing too hard. After this, now you're gonna connect it to the base of the door. There's a little metal rod that you're gonna wrap it around. So see this rusted bolt? There's a little piece right there to the left that you're gonna wrap it around. I'll give you another view in a second. Forgive my shoddy camera work. I didn't have my stabilized camera with me. So right there where that blue arrow is pointing, there's a little notch that you can wrap around the cable, make a little loop. Hold on, I think I have a better view. I know you can't really see it, but I'll give you another view. I'll show you the other side of how it's actually supposed to look. So this is the other side of the door. You see right there where the blue arrow, the cable's wrapped around that little notch sticking out. That's what you're going to want to do the broken side. And again, this is the other side that's working. You see that it's wrapped around that little metal rod, basically a pulley system. So I made my little loop with my cable and I wrapped it around. So since this cable was too long, I had to cut it, and you're going to make a new loop. That's why you need the wire clamp to clamp down the loop. So that's where the nut setter comes in. You're going to want to tighten it. You don't need too much, just because the way these wire clamps work, that that loop will stay in place very easily. It's not like rope where it'll just slide. But once you got that, we're going to test out the door. The moment of truth. The door should easily glide open and close. Voila! It worked. Easy peasy. Again, thanks for watching. Take care.